Well, let's check this new clever Aventuro with the sky up pop-up roof tent from the Italian pop-up roof maker, with the Aventuro 600 Ultima line starting price at 98,999 with a final price of 100,019 euros. Well, getting inside, we will be already seeing this towering fridge situation, and the widest part is pretty great. And entering inside, being a parcel group, this can be extended also in a two-sitting bench with overhead storage units and the actual Mercedes Sprinter Ducati chassis with push-to-open side pockets and an wide opening right up there. Additional storage units on the upper part of the dinette unit. On the upper part we have this great sky-up pop-up roof design with skylight, and then going down we have the standard domestic 2-burner stove and the sink with 3 additional storage units on this part right here, and also an additional storage unit right up there, pretty deep. And from this side we can check a pretty good size bathroom with tether cassette toilet and storage units on the upper part. And then on the back we have this standard 2 people sleeping area with the expansion side right up there, making 2 meters, almost more than 2 meters for sleeping. And well, there will be slightly narrower, but you put the legs down there with 2 additional cabinets right up there. So exiting around, you can check that this is actually similar to the Postal variant, and actually they are made in the same factory. And going back, as I saw, this is the second sitting for the actual bench situation on the kitchen area. And just checking up on the widest part, we have 0.913, and on the longest part 1.345. And you have the space for 2 gas bottles. Then going around and finishing off this review of the clever Aventuro 600 Ultima line.